Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, Suhail Loves Healing. I hope you all are happy and healthy. In today's video, I will talk about what are energy circles and how to use them. So let's begin. A circle has always been regarded as a sacred space. From ancient times, it is believed a circle acts as a protection spear. A circle is made up of infinite circling loop. There is no start and there is no end to it. If we create a circle and insert anything in it, the content of the respected circle is energized. This circle is known as energy circle. Now this energy circle contains affirmation I am abundant. By inserting this affirmation inside this energy circle, the respective affirmation becomes a energy source. If we create a circle and insert anything in it, the content of the respective circle is energized. This circle is known as energy circle. The content can be affirmations, switch words, diffusing words, healing numbers, numerology numbers, frequencies, images, or symbols. Why energy circle? When you put contents in a energy circle, the energy of the same is very focused. Consider this. If you write switch words count now, then the energy of those switch words are scattered. If you write the same switch words count now inside a energy circle, the energy of those switch words is not scattered and it is confined inside the circle. What qualifies a circle as energy circle? Any fluid geometrical shape such as circle, triangle, or square with rounded corners, of course. Even this can be energy circle. Surprised? My advice is to always use the circle shaped energy circle. What should you always ensure when creating an energy circle? The content should not touch inside line. Observe in this case, the C is touching the inside line and the full stop at the end is touching too. The line of the circle should not be broken anywhere. The line of the circle should not overlap. Do not mix images with words. Either keep it word only or image only. For images or symbols, just have one image, not more. Ensure proper punctuations whenever necessary. For frequencies, affirmations, and healing numbers have no more than 5 of them. Always ensure to write numbers or frequencies vertically. Do not write it next to each other. How to use a energy circle? Energy circle acts as a broadcaster for its content. So you simply keep a energy circle, either printed or its digital version, within your aura, then its respective contents are working for you. Just to let you know, our aura is normally 3 to 4 feet in diameter from our body. Another method of using energy circle is to bring your left hand slightly above the desired energy circle and say, activate this energy circle for me for as long as needed. That's it. Done. Quick and easy. Remember, there is no need to touch the energy circle. You might need to do this again whenever you feel the need to do so. By saying activate this energy circle for me for as long as needed, you have essentially given instruction to your energy field to let the respective energy of the energy circle to stay in your energy field for whatever appropriate time period it feels necessary. This period can be from days to months. Another method is to keep the printed version of energy circle below your pillow before you go to sleep. When you sleep, your subconscious mind is most active. Hence, the energy of the respective energy circle is very receptive to your energy field. Another method is to keep the printed or digital version of energy circle above a glass of water for 15 seconds and then drink the water. As you all know, 70% of our body contains water. Water as a source can easily reach all the parts of your body. Hence, this is an excellent method to use, especially for any physical condition. What is an invisible energy circle? An energy circle appears empty or blank but contains the energy in it is known as invisible energy circle. The creator of invisible energy circle hides the contents. This is done for two reasons. By hiding the content, the user of the energy circle is protected by placebo effect. If I give you an energy circle containing healing numbers of money, your focus is on believing in those numbers while using the energy circle. But if I give you the same energy circle by hiding the numbers, then your focus is more on healing the situation than the numbers. As the saying goes, out of sight, out of mind. Another reason is to maintain discreet. The creator does not wish to reveal the contents by protecting his/her source, idea, or information from copying. One must be very careful of using such energy circle. Use it only if you trust the creator of it. Energy circle are a wonderful and easy tool to bring in energy into your energy field. I have over 6 years of experience of creating and using energy circles. I have helped many people in healing themselves by creating energy circles for them. Start using energy circles and heal your condition or situation with ease. Gratitude for watching this video. If you have liked this video, then please press the like button. Kindly subscribe to this channel to stay tuned with some awesome videos. If you wish to get connected with Suhail, then please see the description box of this video for details. Until then, take a good care of yourself. Stay happy and stay healthy. This is Suhail signing off. See ya.